संविदा, जीनल एंड तान्या, आज आपका साथ हमसे छूटता है।
Just heard a rumor, fashion is marrying humor. That is your next content brief. This round is going to be hashtag collab for collab.
Queen, you get to decide first that who you'd like to collaborate with. And your time starts now.
Ankit.
Oh my god, 1 second. I could not believe this. Like, I could not have imagined. Let's go. अंकित, but अगर एफर्ट दोनों साइड से इक्वल नहीं होगा तो तुम दोनों सफर करोगे।
Okay, now in the next 10 seconds, the four of you have to deliberate कि आप किसके साथ pair up होना चाहेंगे. Your time starts now.
I have something in mind.
Can we go?
Yeah, I'll go.
All good?
Have you all decided?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who are the pairs?
Me and Devansh.
Priyam and me.
Okay, Zian and Priyam are a pair, and Devansh and Sepia are a pair,
And Queen and Ankit are a pair. Listen to each other. Don't be egoistic. There will be times जब दूसरा इंसान सही होगा. You should know when to let go.
कोलैबोरेशन में आपको जीतना है, याद रखना, ओके?
Yes.
all the best. Do really well, rooting for each one of you, every single one of you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 in association with Varanga and our beauty partner, My Glam. And the winner of Myntra Fashion Superstar will get a contract worth 50 lakhs from Myntra Studios. The content brief for this episode is, I've heard a rumor that fashion marries humor.
Wow.
Who will shine tonight?
पहले तो हम बता दें एमएम दैट सिर्फ कंटेंट ब्रीफ नहीं है, हमने उसके ऊपर एक लेयर डाली है. एंड अंकुश बताइए कौन सी लेयर?
The layer is called Collab for Collab. It's a collaboration this time.
Wow. But since you guys went live, I want to know the pairs. Who's collaborating with whom?
Queen के पास तो in fact advantage भी थी because she was on top of the like board with the M like. She had the chance to choose her partner the first.
Queen इतना clarity के साथ अपना काम करती हैं. She's so on point with her fashion.
I agree.
I think she'll go with somebody who's completely contrasting to her.
On count of 3, give me your guesses, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Ankit. You're right. You're absolutely right.
You guys are right. That was bang on.
Queen has showed us humorous fashion with her Kim K,
Yeah.
you know, that post, right? And Ankit is just this badass, like doesn't care. He's funny without even trying to be
But
funny.
unintentionally.
एक rap करता है, एक high fashion, glamour, like ballroom culture, like she's giving queenness.
But she realized that fashion तो मैं कर लूँगी and I'll do all of that. She was like मुझे entertainment चाहिए, मुझे edge चाहिए, मुझे वो एक vibe चाहिए, humor चाहिए, comedy चाहिए.
It'll be very interesting to see, did Queen manage to get through to him?
Yeah.
It's a very interesting clash,
Very
guys.
interesting.
It's a great pair to bring together.
ऐसा बनाते हैं जैसे हम टॉक शो कर रहे हैं.
ओके
और तो एक कंटेस्टेंट है
ओके
और जिसमें मैं तुरंत मेकओवर करना.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
हाँ अच्छा लगेगा.
और तू अपना देसीपन ला.
मतलब मैं देसी रहूँगा उसमें.
हाँ देसी दिखा दे. और मैं एकदम ऑपोजिट
है.
Let's move on to the second pair. Who is the second pair?
बताओ चमका दो
Guys.
कैसे बताएं?
Next, Zian and Priyam.
Oh.
It's Zian and Priyam.
वाह कुछ
What an interesting
धोखेबाज हो.
fashion
धोखेबाज
combination.
हूँ मैं.
In the sense that Priyam is very clear with her fashion and she's
Yeah.
fantastic. ZM
is a little confused.
But she thinks she's very good at fashion, right?
Abhi, I'll tell you, live
so
mein-
that's where the clash could be.
प्रियम ने एक्चुअली कहा था कि मेरे पास और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, एंड हर फेस फेल. आई विल नॉट लाई, हर फेस फेल बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगा कि शायद वो उतने कम समय में कुछ सोच नहीं पाई, वो शायद इतनी इंटरेक्शन में बिलीव नहीं करती, इतनी कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं करती, विच इज़ एब्सोल्युटली ओके. मे बी शी इज़ एन इंट्रोवर्ट.
Very interesting to see कि वो क्या करते हैं because उनका जो fashion sense है, I think it's going to clash because it's different.
करेक्ट.
But also,
हाँ.
where is the humor?
Was the Mean Girls?
I think this will go like perfectly to our character. Maybe we don't have to act humorous because we are not.
Yeah, and we don't even need to say jokes, or maybe we can just act out. We can keep this as an inspo, the movie,
yes.
and we can like create something
Similar
out of
to
it. Yeah, maybe.
I don't think they both are humorous.
Yeah.
दोनों थोड़े weak हैं. And that brings us to the third pair because बचे सिर्फ Sepia and Devansh हैं.
CPR, they were smart about it. कि जैसे ही मौका मिला उन्होंने आपस में बात करके कर लिया because I can't imagine either of them pairing up with either Priyam or Zian.
And they will be good. They will be good together.
बट आई डोंट नो, सीपिया और देवांश की केमिस्ट्री देखी थी, एंड कहीं ना कहीं सीपिया उनको बोल रही थी तू देख ले, तू श्योर है ना, तू श्योर है ना. वो कुछ एक डायनामिक था उनके बीच में. और जब मैंने
But that's good, ना?
हाँ, और जब मैंने देवांश से बात की थी तो देवांश ने कहा था, मैंने इसको बोल दिया है
I'll tell you,
मैं
Kusha.
एकदम प्रोसेस के साथ चलता हूँ, मैं डिसिप्लिन के साथ चलता हूँ, तूने डिसिप्लिन के साथ चलना है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर कुछ डायनामिक्स आर
But
इन
interesting.
मोशन इन प्रोसेस.
Also, बचे हुए क्वीन और अंकित के पैर होने के बाद जो 4 लोग बचे थे उनमें से ह्यूमर किसका स्ट्रॉन्ग सूट है? देवांश.
देवांश.
So I feel
देवांश
that
का
CPR
sure.
made a strong choice like that.
यस
Smart.
यस.
Dude, I just got an amazing idea. तुमने अभी लेटेस्ट मेट गाला के लुक्स देखे हैं? ट्रेंडिंग भी है. नाइस नो?
ये इस पे काम करता है, ये सब छोड़.
Okay, as creators, do you all like to do this alone or do you like to collaborate?
I think it's a mix. Depends on who you're collaborating with. Because if it's someone you know or someone whose content you can relate to, it's easy.
I prefer working alone because I'll tell you collaborations में आपको dynamics का नहीं पता होता है. And मैं कभी-कभी I can be a pushover sometimes. जब collaboration होता है ना, there are 2 voices. And one has to listen and one has to do the talking.
मैं करती हूँ एक्चुअली कोलैबोरेट. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कोलैबोरेट नहीं करती, पर मैं जब भी कोलैबोरेट करती हूँ आई थिंक मैं एपिक कोलैबोरेशंस करती हूँ. जब एक्चुअली करने पे आता है तो आई वी इंश्योर कि दोनों की वॉइसेस रहे, दोनों के पर्सपेक्टिव सामने आए, वरना फिर कोलैबोरेशन क्यों ही कर रहे हो.
मैं इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्गो हूँ कि मैं किसी collaboration is very difficult for me, right? When it comes to working, but say when I work with creators who I sort of discovered and sort of help them build, I like to see people collaborate.
Also मुझे ऐसा लगता है collaborations are the way to like achieve bigger numbers on social media. It's like it's a requirement.
What is that one tip to crack a collaboration?
For me, I am the kind of person who will ask questions to understand that person better, to understand how their content is. I'll probably do a little bit of research, see their page, their handle. And then I think just in the moment हो जाएगा तो then it's fine.
I feel understand each other's strengths यार. Like अगर तुम्हें पता है कि इसका humor strength है और तुम्हारा fashion strength है तो तुम वैसे काम करो. Don't try to do everything.
Yes, and you know they're really spoiled for choice in Myntra Fashion Superstar because unlike other reality shows जहाँ पर आपके phone privileges आपसे लिए जाते हैं, यहाँ पर हम आगे से सामने से इनको दे रहे हैं. They can always go to the Myntra studio where they can actually browse fashion advice from the top fashion and beauty influencers of this country, and they can take their cues from there.
And do their research, you know.
Do their research. They can
I
get
just
inspired.
hope they do something like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
I just hope so.
They
And
better.
तुम लोग क्या प्लान कर रहे हो?
हम तुम्हें क्यों बताएं कि हम क्या प्लान कर रहे हैं?
वो तो मैं भी बताऊंगी. If you tell me, I'll also.
तुम पहले बता.
ऑब्वियसली हम आइडिया तो डिस्कस कर नहीं सकते, लेकिन पढ़ सकते हैं कि आइडिया
Oh my God. जाओ यहाँ से, भागो, चलो. Go away.
पढ़ लिया ना. ब्लैक पहनना है.
Black.
ऑल ब्लैक.
Look at this. This is amazing color. Pink.
ये चूज कर लेते हैं.
हाँ, इसको ले लो. इसको भी रख लेते हैं क्या साथ में? Like pink color.
इसको ना बेल्ट से मार के ना इसको ठिकाने लगा.
कैसे?
ऐसे.
ये तेरे पे बहुत अच्छी देगी.
Amazing. I think मैंने अपनी look की एक आइटम डिसाइड कर
देखो.
ली है.
ये देखना मुझे क्या बना दिया इसने. क्या है ये?
ये लो, ये भी पकड़ो. और and this also done. next?
तुम मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड हो गया?
Come on.
जो मैं क्या बोलते तुम्हारे को शॉपिंग कराने लेकर आऊंगी, देखने क्या है ये?
Let's just go.
Yeah,
we have to
guys,
rush
I really
'cause
want to talk to
time
you
nahi
all,
hai yaar.
but we don't have time because we have to rush and decide.
Shit.
Bye.
Oh, amazing.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. So, basically, the idea for today's shoot is like we are doing like a talk show where I'm channeling like someone who's like Paris Hilton.
I'm acting like a desi guy.
So हमारा collaboration है, तो हम लोग decide कर रहा है कि we'll take different shot. बाद में वो merge होगा.
पैरोडी बना रहे हैं हम एक सॉर्ट ऑफ। हम कॉमेडी कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ह्यूमर ऐड करना है हमें इसमें, तो कॉमेडी करेंगे एंड रेस्ट सेटअप वेटअप तो बिल्कुल सही है। अब फटाफट मेकअप करा के।
Hi guys, I'm almost done with my makeup. I'm supposed to look like Kim Kardashian today.
I'm still on the halfway of the makeup, still doing it. So Priyam is probably done. I think she's gonna go check out the setup.
Arey yaar, if the setup is only not ready before an hour, we supposed to shoot in time.
We are ready. Come on.
Let's do that.
अभी गाइस हमने सेटअप देख लिया,
Let's
बहुत
go in.
अमेजिंग लग रहा है। बस अभी हमें अच्छा सा एक्ट करके दिखाना है कि हम कितना बेटर कर सकते हैं। तूने मेरे को ऐसे करियो, ऐसे। अरे मजा आएगा भाई। हाँ। ओके। सही लग रहा है। आ रहा है मेरा एक्सप्रेशन आ रहा है।
हाँ ये।
The collab process was kind of cute. He's kind of wild. I can't handle it all the time, but I don't mind bearing him for like 5 minutes.
ये सीपिया लग रही है कहीं से, सीपिया है। Hold on.
लोबान भरो।
अगर लोबान नहीं हो रहा तो उसे कैंसिल करते हैं। हमारा आउटफिट मेन है, कॉन्सेप्ट मेन है, लोबान को जाने दो। टाइम नहीं है।
मेरे से नहीं होता है इतना प्रेशर, इसलिए मेरा हमेशा वही हाल है।
2 o'clock, no matter if it's done or not, we are taking the cards, we are cutting the food.
Just tell me in brief because we didn't coordinate much now, so that's why.
This is the center. इधर cut होगा. I just want my part here.
नहीं प्रियम ये वाला नहीं होगा ना because यहाँ पे तेरा सिंगल फ्रेम
अरे यार, this is the frame. No, this is the center. This is the landscape. So the square will be in between. No, so in
They
between
have already
करेंगे.
marked here. This is why I'm wearing white.
Nothing will happen. Zia, now we don't have time to shoot. We were confused. Our idea was very chaotic, and we are not as planned as however we usually be.
I am frozen in this position for the last 10 minutes. I can't feel my legs. I just hope we get the shot though.
Go.
है गर्मी। गाइस इतनी ज्यादा गर्मी हो रही है मैं बता नहीं सकता। एंड ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, जब हम गिरे हैं हमारे घुटनों पे भी लगी है। आई कैन फील द बर्न एंड द जलन।
सेम। हम बहुत बुरी तरह से गिर गए। We got
अब तो सीधा ये मुंह छुपा ही लो क्योंकि मेकअप भी खराब हो ही रहा होगा। ह्यूमर और फैशन का मिलाप यहाँ पे हो गया। हम तो जब देख रहे हैं हमें हंसी आ रही है। मेन पॉइंट है जजेस को भी हंसी आनी चाहिए।
We are like poles apart, but this was one of the most craziest stuff I've ever done with anybody.
Yeah, me too.
I just hope the judges love it. Yeah. I hope we kill it today.
Yeah, definitely.
To be honest, literally editor जी इधर है, वो भगवान जैसे है अभी आज के लिए। Only he can do some magic.
Alright guys.
We are done with our edit.
Okay.
We are honestly very happy with our outcome.
अब फटाफट चलते हैं, पोस्ट करना, कैप्शन वैप्शन लिखना है। ओके बाय। जल्दी।
जल्दी से कैप्शन सेट।
यूपा।
This is Myntra Fashion Superstar Season 3 in association with Varanga and beauty partner MyGlam. Hi guys, I know it was difficult, but now you guys only have 10 seconds to upload. 10,
9, 8,
7, 6,
hashtag
5, 4, 3,
okay.
2, 0.
Done.
Upload.
I'm really keen to see fashion meets humor in the posts that our influencers and our creators have made.
So excited!
Let's do this.
Super exciting. All right, guys. So it's really exciting because the scoring is going to be very interesting.
Yes.
Because when they get one like, it's a like to both of them.
Okay, guys. So let's go to the Myntra Studio homepage, which is, by the way, also home for top beauty and fashion influencers. So let's see what our own creators have done.
But what's the first pair?
The first pair is Devansh and Sepia.
Oh, Desi Met
We spoke
Gala.
about Met Gala.
Yeah,
गाइस हमारी वीडियो प्ले होने वाली है हम दोनों
डर
की-
लग रहा है हमें।
डर लग रहा है बहुत ज्यादा
Let's read the caption. Devansh and CP have said, ये है देसी मेट गाला, जिसकी है बुरी नजर उसका मुंह काला। देसी है लेकिन कपड़े ऑन पॉइंट होने चाहिए, पोजेस करने आए ना आए, पिक्चर्स लेनी आनी चाहिए। Aggressive. Hashtag देसी मेट गाला, hashtag नजर ना लगे, hashtag expectation versus reality, hashtag Dev Sipya.
the caption doesn't work, and neither
Yeah,
the
especially after
hashtags.
we've already pointed it out.
About blackface and all, this muh kala
फिर से।
can't. Anyway, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's see if their content lives up to it.
Let's watch it.
Oh.
Guys, do you want mask?
मास्क
Very Kim K inspired. I love it.
देख के चल सीढ़ियाँ।
अबे कहाँ देख के चलो कुछ दिख थोड़ी ना काले में होल्ड ऑन खड़ी पागल बेइज्जती हो रही खड़ी पोज कॉन्फिडेंस
कहाँ देख के पोस्ट कर रही है?
जहाँ से फ्लैशेस आ रहे हैं वहाँ देख ले बस कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं
फ्लैशेस तो यार हर जगह से आ रहे हैं।
बस हर जगह मुंह घुमाती रहे
I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
मेरा एक्सप्रेशन देख, मेरा एक्सप्रेशन ठीक लग रहा है।
अबे मेरे को थोड़ा ना दिख रहा तेरा एक्सप्रेशन किसी को कुछ नहीं दिख रहा तू जो मर्जी बना अबे सनग्लासेस का क्या करना तूने
अच्छा लगेगा यार।
इससे ज्यादा क्या अलग लगना मच्छरदानी लेके आए हुए हैं हम एकदम सब अलग लग रहे हैं हम ऐस निकाल अपनी ऐस निकाल इतने पैसे कहाँ से खर्चा है ऐस निकाल यार इनको है कौन
हाँ।
चल ओके ऑलराइट बाय बाय थैंक यू
देख के चल।
अबे तुमने बेइज्जती ही करानी है हर जगह चल निकालो ओके बाय गाइस
Love it.
I love it. I like it. Very funny.
This was so funny.
मेट गाला के बाद अगर ये इंटरनेट पे होता है वायरल हो जाता
हाँ।
है इजीली वायरल हो जाता है
ये मेट गाला के नेक्स्ट डे वाला कंटेंट है जो 100% वायरल होगा.
100%.
I love it.
Very nice.
When she read muh kala, honestly I assumed it was to do with the whole Kim K thing because
Now I get it.
because when I read it मुझे लगा it was to do with Kim K but I was
Actually,
like
थोड़ा सा I think इनको समझ नहीं आया, इस पे भी बैकलैश मिल सकती है. I have to
Of
say
course.
it. The thing is that Kim K ने जो वो कह रहे हैं वो नहीं किया था. She masked her identity. So अगर mask related caption होता, I would have appreciated that more. पर ये जिसकी है बुरी नजर उसका मुंह काला एक बहुत ही dated regressive thought है. उसके बारे में मुझे आपत्ति हो सकती है. It is offensive and content funny था.
They're having some serious discussion यार.
कोई पंगा ना हो यार वैसे आई डोंट थिंक हमने कुछ ऐसा ऑफेंसिव तो करा नहीं
What I get about the caption is, I mean, it sounds a bit wrong.
Yeah.
But I think what they were trying to do is connect to a wider audience.
Yeah.
Because the video is fantastic.
टाइप क्यों नहीं कर रहे यार
What I also noticed in this content, I don't know if you guys have noticed, is Devansh has everything under control.
everything under control.
It is his world, but CP is just an added attachment.
But you were right. You said he will carry her on
He's
in the next.
carried her. You look at the body language.
अच्छा नहीं लगा क्या होने वाली है?
पता नहीं यार
कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि you know हमको लगता है कि दो thinking minds or two creative people will come together and there'll be a clash.
Yeah.
In their case, I think Sepia was very smart that she immediately asked for Devansh.
Absolutely.
I thought the video was excellent because I
It
felt
was
it's
exceptional.
topical it is a very fashion statement because on the red carpet at the Met Gala, this was one look that stood out.
Yeah.
Three books. So I think they've got that really well, and I love the second part. में जहाँ caption का सवाल है, मुझे ये लग रहा है वो भूल हो गई है उनसे.
Oh yes. Kusha is typing.
कुछ अच्छा टाइप करो यार.
Kusha Kapila, wow.
Caption is offensive. Wish the caption focused on masked identity. I will let you figure out why.
Giving this feedback because you all should know that you can make the best content. One slip up like this could be detrimental sense is harmful. Alright.
Oh, I think I know why.
Why?
बुरी नजर वाले तेरा मुकाला.
नहीं लिखना चाहिए था वो.
हमने सोचा ही नहीं यार.
They have replied, "Hey Kusha, we really appreciate the feedback. We just realized the mistake. We would definitely be more careful next time."
I love
Lovely,
it.
very
I
nice.
love it.
And it's so interesting also Santu because Myntra Fashion Superstar में ये आए हैं और शायद अगर ये प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं होता तो ये गलती ये बाहर कर रहे होते और कोई इनको ढंग से समझा नहीं पाता इन चीज़ों को. एंड इसके थ्रू हम और सबको भी बता रहे हैं कितने क्रिएटर्स कितने एस्पायरिंग क्रिएटर्स इस शो को देखेंगे और इस बात को समझेंगे.
Yeah, it's
normal viewers को बता रहे हैं कि this
absolutely.
is offensive.
मैंने ये लिखा है fashion on point. Fashion truly married humor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Can I just say, Sepia looks out of this.
Yeah,
absolutely good.
But I have to say, even he looks very good.
He looks
You know
look
what?
very good.
The camera really likes him.
Yeah.
And I like the black nose when they
I
added.
love the black
I thought it
nose
gave that
ring.
extra
I love
edge
the
to
shot when they both were like
Interacting.
him. Interactive.
getting ready
They,
together
guys,
and-
they looked like in love with each other.
yeah.
They were so good.
They did have chemistry.
अब इतनी apology के बाद
I think so. Like तो बनता है.
Wow.
Stuck in traffic, 8 a.m. All the places I had you
Yo.
couldn't help but to fly.
Thank you.
Up like a high tide.
Kusha,
Kusha,
takes
Kusha,
these
please, Kusha, like कर दो.
Kusha, you're not giving likes.
No, the caption doesn't cut it for me और मुझे पता है इनको बहुत सारे likes मिलने चाहिए पर इस caption के साथ इनको 5 likes तो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलने चाहिए.
Guys, मैं आप लोगों को एक बात बता दूं कि they are the contenders for Emma.
110%. Jaggery has happened.
Come, let's go back to the homepage.
Let's go to the
Oh shit.
We are going to the Myntra Studio homepage to our next pair, Zian and Priya.
The caption is behind the scenes of what it takes for two non-humorous people to bring humor.
I love it. It's fantastic, guys.
Hashtag humor, not humor.
So I love the fact they only have one hashtag.
Yes, that is great.
Also,
That is
their
great.
lines are there's just one line. How amazing is that?
It's so funny because the best way कॉमेडी में कहते हैं कि अगर आपको किसी चीज़ को लैंड कराना है ना अपनी इनसिक्योरिटी अपनी फ्लॉ को पहले ही एड्रेस कर लो. इससे पहले कि लोग आप पर हंसें आप खुद पर हंस लो तो फिर लोग आप पर नहीं आपके साथ हंसें.
I'm gonna play it.
Hey guys, so today, hey guys, so welcome to the Ranch Show with P and Z. So today we're gonna talk about.
That's my line.
Hey guys, so welcome to the Ranch Show with P.
Today we're gonna talk about
Nothing. Nothing.
action. Today we are gonna talk about
Nothing.
Nothing के बाद किसका लाइन था?
मेरा.
We don't know how these shows work, to be honest. But अब like बिल्ली मौसी भी नहीं कर सकते हम.
No, wait, what?
ओकर से start करो ना. ओकर.
With
ओकर.
Okar.
How do I look?
Okar.
What am I drinking?
Okar.
Have you heard of MFS?
I'm not really sure how this reality shows work. Like honestly.
They must be watching us right now.
Probably.
Oh, breaking the fourth wall.
Once we're done with the shoot, cut. Seriously, cut.
How cool was that?
I really enjoyed that. This was too good. Too
Very
good.
cool, very contemporary.
New age. Fashion was
very
great.
New age. Fashion was great. I thought the humor was interesting.
It didn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
But I liked it.
I loved it.
Oh, Ankush didn't like it at all.
I loved it, but I just feel that crisper ho sakta tha.
For
The
sure.
studio could have been crisper. It
For
was
sure.
almost there, but not there for me.
But can I just say,
Very unexpected.
they were very Gen Z. Also, I want to say the way they sat.
They were very mean girls.
The elegant sitting.
Yeah.
It was very cool.
Same video.
I loved it, guys.
I loved it.
absolutely loved it.
Like when
I wrote to them that girls, you all together were just fabulous. Loved, hearts, claps.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You know, Zian's fashion was so much better here.
Yeah.
And I really feel Priyam has a lot to do with it.
I know.
Because
agree.
I thought her fashion went many notches up.
Yeah. Also, I remember when you said now this whole LA girl,
Yeah.
this genre of, can I say, this felt truly international.
Absolutely.
The color blocking, the outfits and the way they stepped.
Yes.
Also, internet pe you not only reaching to the Indian audience, you reaching to the worldwide
Yeah.
fashion
So
audience.
true.
और
So
अगर आप
true.
वो bridge कर सकते हैं, वो gap, वो leap ले सकते हैं, where people from across the world are watching your content, what a win! And if this reel goes viral, it'll have likes from all
I
over.
agree with you. All the flop show.
Oh yeah.
I
it
love
was
the
called-
flop show. Yay!
2 लाख बचे हैं ना, 2 लाख में हो जाएंगे.
So after hearing the judges' reaction, it was really amazing because we were literally not
Yeah,
expecting
not
that.
expecting. We were expecting below 3, maybe 1 or 2, probably. But
We are so glad that the
yeah,
judges
we
not
made it.
picked.
Also, let me tell you, they're big contenders for the M Line.
Oh my God.
You know
They
what it
brought
means
it.
that these guys are just getting better and better. They're really working on themselves. They are understanding that we are quite serious on this.
Yeah.
And you know, we kind of are not going to be partial.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we're not just going to give them things. And I think what is quite interesting, what Mintra Studio does is every episode they're back to zero.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nobody can take their marks or what they've
Yeah.
done earlier for granted.
Yeah. Okay. Back to our Mintra Studio homepage. Next pair, Kui and Ankit.
You know what? I am so excited. मेरी इतनी ज़्यादा expectations हैं. Caption is Queen and Ankit. When Manhattan meets Chandigarh, when fashion meets humor.
Nice.
Hashtag
So
loves
good.
it. Hashtag Ank
Ex-
into Queen Andrew.
Nice, to the point.
I think whenever Ankit comes, we start laughing.
Yeah, let's watch it.
Let's
watch
see
it.
it.
I'm playing.
Hi guys, welcome to Makeovers with the OG Queen, where we transform basic peasants, humans, into a work of art. My first contestant / victim is...
Yeah!
Oh, she picks it up a
I
ball.
don't really care, just bring him in.
हेलो मैडम जी, लग रही हो कमाल. सत श्री अकाल.
I have no idea what that means.
पागल जनानी.
So, where are you from?
चंडीगढ़.
What's that?
मैडम जी, आपने चंडीगढ़ का नाम नहीं सुना? कभी गोलगप्पे खाए हैं?
What's a golgappa?
वाटर बॉल्स, वाटर बॉल्स.
Okay.
जिसमें खट्टा मीठा पानी होता है, और अगर आप चाहो तो उसमें छोले भी डलवा सकते हो.
Okay, moving on. What are your talents?
मैं रैप कर सकता हूँ आपके लिए. तेरे चिट्टे चिट्टे बाल, लगती है कमाल, उम्र 16 साल,
Ew.
तू बन गई पूरी माल.
And now, we move into the most amazing part of the show, where I give him an amazing makeover.
ओ मुझे मेकओवर नहीं करवाना.
Whatever, let's go.
जो महिला इतना चटक भटक
Love. This is how they using fashion.
को रखा है.
So as you all know, as an early 2000s babe, we love pink. So always choose millennial pink over millennium pink.
She's Paris Hilton. She's Paris Hilton. It's the Paris Hilton.
Transition.
Transition.
और इतना पिंक पिंक किसने पहना दिया रे?
Right, हमारा कोट कहाँ गया?
Oh my god, that was so much fun. Did you see how I transformed this basic human being into someone iconic? So, until next time, and remember, 2000s babes always look like they're having fun. And if you're not having fun, then just
What
leave.
just happened?
और ये का डॉग है अतरंगी सा बना दिया पिंक पैंथर लग रहा हूँ मैं तो जा रहा हूँ
Good to not comment and just like.
No comment.
Okay, ठीक है.
Usually all together, right?
Love, yeah.
Yeah?
Where is Safari?
Everyone's typing. Look at this.
Love, awkward. Game over.
Thank you so much guys
It was beyond.
It was fantastic.
It was fabulous.
It was Paris Hilton. Can we talk about Queens as an early 2000s babe? The reference of Paris Hilton.
But she was so good.
She was so good.
I loved her hair.
I actually found her funnier.
She
Like
was
we were
very
expecting
funny.
Ankit to be funny. I found her funny.
Yeah, and the contrast was just fantastic
you.
because he was hyper. She was like, ew.
And then the
Yeah,
whatever.
I love that. I love that.
Ew.
Listen to me.
Can I just say, the only way I feel like Queen, who is by the way top of the like board, could have won this by ignoring Ankit throughout, and that's exactly what she
Fantastic. I loved the expression. But guys, like board पे चलें.
Like
Yeah, let's go to the like
देखते हैं
board.
क्या है like
Oh
board.
yeah.
Guys, we're going to the Mintra Studio homepage from
Superb.
where we will go to
the
the
like
like
page.
board.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Wow, yeah. Oh shit, Sitya.
Queen and Ankit and Ziana Priyam are tying for the first position with 5 likes each, and Devansh and Sepia have 4 likes each, and they are on the second position.
So guys, M like जो है, that's only primarily fashion.
Sure.
So I'll tell you what, when I'm seeing fashion and humor, मेरे लिए fashion 50% था इसमें और humor 50% था, because that was our brief. So what I found really interesting in Devansh and Sepia was that they touched a very important point in fashion these days on social media, which is the red carpet.
Sure, but like I only saw like one outfit that which they basically recreated. But in Queen and Ankit's video, we saw a fashion makeover, we saw fashion transitions. The outfits were on point, the makeup was on point, everything was on point. So can I please make a case for Queen and Ankit?
And you know, fashion doesn't necessarily all the time mean that it's got to have too many layers or too much of
Correct.
color or too
That is
much of
true.
bling and too much of this. I kind of like that starkness of black.
Black.
Yes, they faltered by a caption, but I always feel we're here to mentor them. We're here to tell them about their mistakes, to teach them. So I don't want to hold that against an M like. So my M like goes to Devansh and Sepia.
Oh my god! Love. Oh, what this means.
Manish sir liked our fashion sense, the way we dressed, the way we layered the black, and he loved it. And his favorite color is also black. तो उन्हें बहुत पसंद आया. Finally got the M like.
Guys, with my M like, they're all on the same platform.
Oh my
The
god.
drama begins now.
Now is the
and now
drama.
that the drama begins, I feel we should see them.
Yes,
Let's do this.
That.
Hello! Wow, look at y'all.
Oh my god. Hi
Oh,
guys.
nice. Hello, guys. How fabulous have you all been? Superb. Each one of you all fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please, Priyam, I want to speak to Priyam and Priyam only.
Yes.
Come on, Priyam. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel great.
Yeah, girls, you were like those mean girls, you were the gossip girls. You were just fantastic. Fashion on point and too good.
Fabulous. I want to know, did you guys get along the entire time?
Yes. Kind of. Kind of.
I have heard otherwise, guys.
Priyam, Zian, we have birdies, so
No, but if we had to like say it, like we got along.
Yeah, we vibe along.
Pretty
Yeah.
much.
whose concept was it?
We both actually decided because
Mutually?
mutually we decided. Yeah.
अच्छा दिवांश कहाँ है?
Hello, hi.
अच्छा ये जो कॉन्सेप्ट था ये मेट गाला का किसका था?
The idea was mine.
Yes.
The idea was mine, but like so what we did, हमने inspiration Kim Kardashian की look से ली थी, but हमको अपना touch उसमें डालना था, तो we added like a little bit of tweaks here and there to add our touch of glamour to it.
बस ये पे आपको ब्लैक कितना सूट करता है?
It's my favorite color actually.
मेरा भी बिल्कुल मेरा भी.
I want to say one thing, guys, and I want to say it to everybody here that a mistake like the one that you guys have made, it cannot happen
again.
At all, guys.
And honestly, if you were careful about your caption, you would have probably been at 6 today and they would have been
Yes. This kind of mistake can get you really in a lot of trouble.
It can get you out of the game. Like I think अभी इस शो पे ये 2 बार already हो चुका है.
Right.
There can't be a third time.
Yes.
So good luck, work hard, and let's go to a fantastic actress, Queen Andrew. So good.
Honestly, I thought it was so good. The contrast was just fantastic. किसका concept था? सच बताना है. सच. किसका concept था?
I had thought that in case if I have to do something humorous, I would definitely like either be Kim or Paris, and then we try to incorporate Ankit ka desiness into Hamara video, and I'm so glad it turned out well.
Queen, you whipped him into shape.
Yes, I literally did that when we were.
And it showed.
You both are onto something. This was fantastic. Ankit की personality फट के बाहर आई, and Queen की personality एकदम elegantly बाहर आई.
So guys, now the actual tough part begins. 3 of you will leave us in the next episode. Right? So it's a tough one.
And you should know what's on the finish line. 50 lakhs worth of Myntra contract with Myntra Studio. This is a big deal.
So guys, are you ready for the next content brief?
Yes.
Guys, in real world, in the world of influencing content creation, client is very important.
We want to see कि आप अपने कंटेंट से क्या बना सकते हैं, आप अपने कंटेंट को किस लेवल तक लेकर जा सकते हैं, क्या आप अपने स्किल्स को एक ब्रांड को बेच सकते हैं.
And the brand is a sportswear global giant. Giant. It's humongous. You will be making content for Puma.
Whoa.
Powered by Puma. Okay? And your content brief is leisure in athleisure. And showcase that athleisure can be worn anywhere.
You have to style Puma apparel the way you like, but for different occasions. Make it unexpected. It's something nothing of us have ever seen before.
No.
Yes. And guys, fashion here is key because it's Myntra Fashion Superstar, remember? See you guys. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Thank you. All the best. Thank you.
All the very best.
Thank you. मैं और सिपिया यार टेंशन में थे और हम पूरे एंड तक वेट कर रहे थे कि यार अब फाइनल में जा भी पाएंगे कि नहीं जा पाएंगे. फाइनली वी गॉट द एम लाइक. सो नाउ द स्कोर इज ऑल इक्वल 5 ईच. इट वाज वेरी नाइस. कट थ्रोट कंपटीशन होने वाला है अब अगले एपिसोड में.